there. I'm in my kitchen and I'm super busy to show you my secret to making a healthy hot chocolate drink. Yes, get excited. Did you know that a traditional hot chocolate is made on full milk and is around 265 calories and 11 grams of fat a serve? And that's not counting those marshmallows they put on top. Now, my way is only 158 calories and 1.9 grams of fat a serve. Now, this hot chocolate drink is also packed with lots of vitamins and minerals and has 15 grams of protein and 7 grams of fibre per serve, which will help you feel fuller for longer. Do you love it? Yeah. So on those hangry days in the afternoon or after dinner, for example, you won't be searching for food. Now, do you want to know my secret? Well, hello. It's my wicked chocolate shake. That's right. Now, let me show you how to make it into a hot drink. It's super easy. Now, I've boiled the kettle, so it's ready to go. So I'm just going to add a little bit into my cup. Then you get your sachet. I know, how easy is this? And just pour it in. There we go. Now, I've just got a little whisk that you get at the cheap shops, and I'm just going to whisk that together. Now, there's no need to add milk to this because it's a milk-based drink, so it's just adding the hot water. So once you've mixed that together, fill it up and just give it a stir. Get that whisk, blending it all together. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love the smell and the feel on a cold winter night of that really hot glass in your hands. There's nothing better, is there? I mean, who doesn't want a hot chocolate drink in winter? Now, I also have, believe it or not, the creamy vanilla is fabulous done with the hot water as well, but with a bit of cinnamon. Love it. Or the iced coffee is awesome as a hot, milky coffee. Now, you've got no excuses. You can enjoy a healthy hot chocolate drink anytime doing it my way. I mean, it's a yum. So get yours now, and there's a link below to find out more. Enjoy.